How to scan a document on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. Once you're here, tap on Notes. You can view all your Notes folders. If you want to create a new note, then tap on the New Note icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the attachment icon. Select Scan Documents. Position the document in view on this screen and then tap on the Capture button to scan it. Once you're done, tap on Keep Scan below. Then, tap on Save. Following these steps, you can easily scan a document on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.